We are proud to present this excellent 2002 Dodge Ram 1500 truck. This Ram 1500 truck has an 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. This vehicle has a maroon exterior and includes the following options: air conditioning, bed length, 75.9, camper shell, center console, partial, chrome grille, clock, in radio, front seat type, split bench, intermittent window wipers. Contact our internet sales staff today to schedule an appointment.